Hello YouTube, welcome to a new video today. I will actually be showing you something very fast automation. Yes, fast automation. Fast automation is where you give layers of instruction to the computer and it's going to get done. So first let's open Python and then go terminal. Make sure we're in the PI2. Auto GUI pyautogui. When you hit enter, you get stuck on. I have already installed this, so the cloud is satisfied. Cool. So if you don't, you should like just get the stuff done. So let's jump right into it. So first let's import. Position. So this is actually going to give you the position of your cursor. So if you want to open the calculator, just like here, and you want to know where it actually is, you can just run the program and shift it down. So go on to calculator and hit shift. And 1043, 1042. So that is the x and y ordinates of the calculator. So you can just remove it for now. You can be like pyautogui dot click. That makes sense, right? Click. It clicks on these axes 1043 and 1042. Yeah. So if you want to run this, you can be like run. Now just hit on run and boom. Yes, it's working. Recording. Okay. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. You just automated a task with GUI, pyautogui. So just make it standard. Yeah. So then when you open the calculator, you want to do some calculations like something into something like, yeah. So if you want to do any multiplication or any other task, or if you want to hit enter, or if you want to use some special keys, you should be like pyautogui dot typewrite. Let's give it a number like 162 asterisk 12, and let's see if this works. Come on. Yeah, into 12, and it is supposed to hit enter. So guys, there is a problem with this. Actually what happens is you should keep the calculator open if you want to automate the task. So that's the only problem you have with this pyautogui typewrite and enter. You're gonna use these brackets if you wanna use enter, shift, control, or any functional buttons, functional keys. Let me be more specific on that. So you're gonna run this. It's gonna be like, yeah, boom. Come on. Yeah, so you just got the answer for what you type right here. So that's how it works. So let's run it again, and it's working pretty well. So you just automated a task using Python. So this was quite easy. You also can log into Instagram accounts, like go to Instagram, like tell it to go to Instagram, or just click Windows. It's gonna type Instagram, then hit enter. Then it goes right there. It's gonna show the password, username. You can just like type right password, then type right enter, then it's gonna log in. So you can pretty much do that with pyautogui. You can also, I'll show you something really interesting now. Let me just go offline for a second. Disconnect for now. Yep. And let me go to Google Chrome. Yep. Okay, so you can actually make the dinosaur jump. You can actually make the dinosaur jump the whole day, just like this. Okay, that doesn't make sense, but come on. That's all it's gonna do. But that works pretty well. So you can be like pyautogui. Okay, let's just get rid of this for now. Print pyautogui dot position of this of Chrome, sorry. So it's gonna give me the coordinates of Chrome. So after I get the coordinates of Chrome, I can be like pyautogui dot click. Come on, what the hell? Okay, pyautogui dot click 186, comma 1051. So as if you're a beginner, you should keep running the program. If you are like not pretty much sure about your program, you should maybe debug it. So that's why I keep checking my program, and yeah, it works. It does open Google Chrome. Let's try. Yes, it did open Google Chrome. Okay, I'll just keep the game ready so that you know it just makes it more easy. So okay, come on, it should click on the dinosaur, then hit spacebar. Okay, so that was the logic what we'll be using right now. Okay, let me just think for a second. So it should go to Chrome, type something on top, and hit enter. So you get the error page. Then you should click on the dinosaur. Okay, so for that I will need the position of the dinosaur. So print pyautogui dot position, and go to Chrome, shift F10. Hopefully I get it. No, I didn't. Okay, you're gonna get in the inspect element thingy. Okay, maybe just a second guys, I'll just cover my camera and I'll run this in the background. Okay, so shift F10. You should have got the coordinates. Yep. Okay, I got the coordinates. So now I can go back to Chrome, drag this down. So one more thing guys, you should make sure that Chrome is in full size, the whole screen. So pyautogui dot okay, pyautogui dot click on that position 547 and 326. So after you do this, so we can try with this guy right here, maybe. Okay, it clicked over here. Okay, this is not supposed to happen. Okay, let me run it on full screen. Let me get Python over here and run the guy. Okay, so you just saw the cursor went on to the dinosaur. Okay, now let's get back to it. On to the codes again. Yes. So we can be like for I in range of 100. So you're basically telling the computer to click or hit spacebar 100 times. 100. Okay, 100. Import, let's pyautogui. So pyautogui dot typewrite space, and let's give a jump statement of 99. So I hope this works. Let's all hope it works. Okay, Python right there, and yeah, let's try it. Oh wow, beautiful. It is actually working, guys. Oh wow, it actually is working. You can actually, okay, it was meant for 100 times, and as soon as it finishes hitting spacebar 100 times, it just goes off. Okay, so we can increase the limit. Let's just go down to it by making it 100,000, 10,000, million. If you're Indian, it should be like lakhs. Okay, what was it? 1,600,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So then back to Chrome. Let's just make it full screen. Get rid of these guys. Then get to Python. Then hit play. So basically, guys, it's just okay. It just jumps without knowing anything. Is it an obstacle or not? It just keeps jumping. So that's how you automate tasks in Python. You can advance it by using TensorFlow for machine learning and train neuron networks to. Oh, beautiful! I just crossed a few, obstacles. Okay, and yeah. So that's pretty much it. So, oh, okay, yeah. Pause. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. That's how task automation works in Python. So, like, comment, of course, subscribe. Thank you for watching.